In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for custom acrylic named Nightlight. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guideline and notes for the product. The first area is the cutting file. You can create any shape you want and it should be in the black shade. The second area is for the printing file. In this section, you can design each layer with any artwork you prefer. The last area is the print and file for the wooden stand. You can create any text or images in this section. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, important design should be in the blue line or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mockup file. You can see a list of mockup images that have been made for you to use. Click on the image you want to create a mockup. For example, click on folder 5. You'll see the list of layers show up. Choose the layer with the link icon. Right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished. Click Place and wait for the template to load. Then you'll have your design appear in all the mockup images. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.